Hi everyone, welcome back to hanacrochetdesign. Today is gonna be another studio vlog. A few months back I made these blue flower crochet earrings and I really like the way it turned out. I made a video tutorial how to crochet these small flowers from embroidery thread. If you would like to check it, I will provide the link in the description box below. Since I really like the design, I decided to make a bracelet using the same crochet flower pattern. If you're wondering what kind of thread that I used to make this jewelry, I used the MC crochet thread. This is not a sponsored video. I genuinely like their product and I have been using it for years. For the bracelet, I used this pale pink crochet thread. I use regular sewing thread for the flower on the left. The thread is slightly thinner than the MC crochet thread, but it still turned out beautiful. I also added small flowers for the bracelet. I used one strand of the MC embroidery thread to make this flower. And this is how the bracelet looks like. What do you think? If you're interested to learn more about micro crochet, you can check out my Etsy shop. I sell all my crochet patterns including this bracelet on that site, and some tutorial come with video tutorial so you can watch me crocheting the flowers and put the jewelry together. I will put a link in the description box below if you would like to check it out. This week was such a busy week for me. I was invited to have a Zoom webinar about this micro crochet by Orchard Library, so they allow me to display some of my earrings in that library. I'm very excited and grateful for this opportunity, but at the same time I'm very nervous as I've never done anything like this before. To attend the webinar, you can book your ticket with your library ID. It's gonna be a free webinar, but you need to become a library member in order to get the Zoom link. And the Zoom talk itself is scheduled on 28th of November this year. I will put the information in the info box below. Here I was preparing some of my earrings design. I didn't have time to buy the earrings display holder, so I had to DIY it myself. I just used regular cardstock. I drew the flower border on my iPad in Procreate apps and printed with my home printer. Then I put it in the IKEA frame. Since I still have some space in the display box, I made some new earrings design. I crocheted this rose flower and I combined this with this white crochet flower. I made this crochet flower a while ago, but I didn't have time to put it together. I always eager to make new crochet project even though I have not finished the last crochet project. Then I added this artificial pistil and I sew it in between the crochet flower. Then to represent the leaves, I sew some lime green flat sequin beside the crochet rows. And for the next earrings, I just keep it simple. I crocheted these white flowers, and for the center part, I used the same artificial pistil. Then I just added some sequin and glass beads around the flower. And this was my last earrings design, which I didn't put in a display because I don't really like the way it turned out. So these are the new earrings design. I'm planning to write a pattern and make video tutorial for this. I will update you once I finish with that, and I usually post my creation on Instagram. If you would like to check it out, my Instagram account is hanacrochetdesign. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thank you everyone for watching. I'm really grateful for this opportunity. If you have questions related with micro crochet, you can leave in the comment section and I will answer it during the Zoom talk. See you in my next video. Bye.